Hello, today I will show how to make a tarator, a traditional Bulgarian dish. First, I take a cucumber, peel it and cut it into small cubes on a cutting board. Then I put in cucumber into a bowl. Next, I open a container of yogurt, stir it, and pour it into the bowl. After that, I add some water to the yogurt container, mix it, and pour it into the bowl too. I mix everything together, add a pinch of salt, and stir again. Then I add garlic powder, mix, and add a little oil, and mix again. Finally, I serve the tarator in another bowl. Add some walnut on top, and that's it. Enjoy your refreshing tarator.